Welcome to Bingo Twins.
Hi friends, Margaret and I are going to play and hatch the Hatchimal eggs. Do you want to join us? Let's play! Margaret, are you excited?
Yes, my brother Daniel.
Oh my gosh, look at these eggs! They're so cute! Wow, they're so colorful! Look at these eggs, my little sister Margaret.
Wow, they're so cute. Brother Daniel, where do these eggs come from? Can we get more animals like this?
These animals come from these eggs. We need to hatch these eggs.
I'm so excited to hatch the other eggs, Brother Daniel. I can't wait any longer.
All you have to do is rub the eggs to hatch the animals.
Can I try, Brother Daniel?
Sure, go ahead.
Rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Wow, so cute! It's a very funny animal!
Now it's my turn to hatch the other egg. Rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. No, I'm so tired. I can't hatch this egg. Can you please help me? Wow, how cute it is! We got this! Animal! Oh, it's so cute! I am so happy and excited to play with these animals.